Hi guys, for today's video I'm gonna cook the misua. This is the same as noodles, but it's a thin noodles. This is product from Philippines. This is called misua. Yeah. And two fish sardines in tomato sauce, in hot tomato sauce. Yeah, and this one, I will not remove this one. I don't know, is it the small bell pepper, the pepper, and the spring onions, the small sili, gagmay nga sili, onions, then garlic. So, let's start cooking now. So, i-slice natin yung bell pepper. Slice natin to. Look, it's really fresh. It's fresh. Both are fresh. So, I'm done now, guys. I just put in here. I slice it into small pieces. Now, let's do this one, what's it called? The garlic. I'll do like this so that it's easy to peel. Like that. Yeah, it's easy. More easier. Now, I'm done with the garlic. Done na siya. Like that only. Not small. I cut it in a small lang siya. Ganagmay ra. So, I'll do the onions. So, this onions is orange, red one. Now, I'm done with the onions. I put in here, segregate, separate like that. Onions. Now, let's do the spring onions. Now, I'm done with the spring onions. Separate the hard part of the spring onions. Yeah, because the hard part, kuan siya kanang dugay siya So, I separate the left side and the hard part. So, it's done, guys. I'm done slicing everything. So, we need to put that to only two nga sili, duhara ka sili because this one is spicy. So, this one, yeah, just only two. Now, let's add an oil. So, okay na siya. Gi-add na nako ang oil. Now, guys, I need to put the garlic. Because the oil is hot now, so I put the garlic. So this is the garlic. Yeah. It's better to put the garlic first. This is fish. Now it's okay. The garlic is already cooked, so I put the onions. Onions. Let's do this one first. The onions. The next one, the other one, the hard part of the spring onion. Next one. Yeah. Let's put like that. Yeah. So yeah, this one, the onions. Yeah, it's better to put the onions first, and the next one, the hard part of the spring onion. So I will put the hard part of the spring onions in here. Yeah, this one, the hard part. It's better to put the hard part because yeah. Now I put the sardines. The fish sardines in tomato sauce. Oh. This is another brand. And this one is another brand. Yeah. So I put in here. So ako siyang giukay, guys. Ukayo na to. Para mukuan yung lasa. Mukuan yung lasa. Ano ba yan? Now, I put the bell pepper and the kaning gagmay ni sili akong ibutang para siya mulami-lami gamay. Ayan na siya. Na siya ibutang. Pira na ko kayo nung maayo kay mudugmok. Now, let's put a little bit of water. Not much. Now, look at guys. It's so nice. Later, I will put the misua. So, I put a little bit of seasoning powder. So, ngayon guys, kumulo na siya ha. Kumulo na siya. Ilagay natin yung misua. Tapat na misua na powder. Ay, ano ba to? Lagay na natin dito. Ito siya. Ito sa yung yun siya. So, ito siya guys ha. Hintayin natin dili siya makuan, maluto ug maayo kay malata dili na maayo. So atong ibutang tong spring onions. So we need to put in this one. This one, okay, para siya malami. So it's ready. In 2 minutes, this is ready. We don't need to overcook this one. It's not good. Now it's ready, guys. It's already cooked. So let's taste it if it's nice or no. Let's taste it. We don't need to overcook this one because it's not good if we overcook. So let's taste. Where's the... So let's taste a little bit because it's too hot. Perfect. Thank you for watching, guys. Now it's ready to serve. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. This is my dinner for today. But actually, it's already it's 12 pa siya. So dili siya dinner. So let's eat, guys. It's ready now.